Hi everyone, it's Helen Griffin here and thank you for joining me today. So today I have some project shares. So these are really quick and easy and simple, so you don't really need a tutorial for these. And this one here is a project based off one of my Christmas projects. So all I need to really give you guys is the measurements and the cutting guide. So that will be on my website. The link will be down below in the description box for this particular blog, and in the description box below there will also be everything that I've used today, and it will also be on my website as well. So this first project here, let's move that aside. So this first project here is based off one of my Christmas projects. So do you recognise it? It's using the Matchbox and Postbox die. So let me just grab that. So this is the Christmas version that I made. So I made it with 4, and there's treats inside there that I still need to eat. So I'm glad I fished that out because I'd forgotten about those. And then here we have one with 2 of the Matchboxes in there, and I've used some really lovely dies from Card Making Magic, alphabet dies. I love alphabet dies, so I was really happy when those came out. So I've used the same ones to make this card as well. So the dimensions and cutting guide is a really simple cutting guide for this one, and that will also be on my website as well. So let me grab the dies that I've used. So here they are. So it's Simply Made Crafts, and I've just used for this one these 2 here to make the drawer and the wrap. So to make the post box you would need this die here, so let's pop that aside. So cutting guides for these will all be on my blog, and then here we have another one using the post box die. So you would need this one here and this one here, that'll be the wrap, and also you need to cut 2 of these rectangles as well. So there is a tutorial for this one, and I'm now on the Craft Stash design team, so I'll be appearing on their YouTube channel and on their blog. So make sure that you're subscribed to their YouTube channel. I'll leave the link for the Craft Stash channel down below, so I'll be regularly appearing. So if you love my projects, make sure you're subscribed to them, and you'll be seeing some more projects, extra projects from me over there. So this one is a lovely Valentine's post box, and I've used, let me show you the papers. I can't believe I haven't showed you the papers. I've used the So Lovely by Sara and Crafter's Companion. So I've used a lot of the pinks from here. So these are lovely spring colours here that are going to take you through spring, Easter, Mother's Day. So I'm going to be using this pad a lot. So make sure you don't buy it all and it sells out, okay? So I absolutely love this pad. Okay, so that's the post box here. We have our Matchbox, and we also have our Valentine's card. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you like these projects, and I really hope that you make something like this. This is so lovely and simple to make, and it's just so lovely to give away. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.